students. Now we are going to studying about 12th standard computer science chapter 3 topic access control. First one, what is access control? It is a security technique. It is a security technique. Who can view or use resources in a computing environment? Who can view or use a resources in what? Computing environment. Next, minimize risk to the object. Minimize risk to the object. Next one, selective restriction of access to data. Selective restriction of access to data. This is about access control. For example, you are upload your photo in a Facebook or WhatsApp. You understand, students? You upload your photo in a Facebook. You must set the visibility modes. What are the visibility modes? Private, public, third one, friends. There are 3 visibility mode. You can set the visibility mode. What is the uses of private, public and friends? First one, private visibility mode. You set the private mode. In your photo cannot see others. You only see your photo. You understand, students? Others cannot see your photo. You only see this mode. Another mode, public mode. Public mode, what is the use of public mode? Your photo, all of them see your photo. Understand, students? But friends mode, your friends only see your photo. So you can set the 3 any one object, private or public or friends. This visibility mode can be used in object-oriented programming. In object-oriented programming, set the visibility mode through the access specifier. In object-oriented programming, set the visibility mode through access specifier. What are the object-oriented programming? In 11th standard you studied what language? C++ language you studied. This is a object-oriented programming. C++ and Java is a object-oriented programming. So the C++ and Java programming using 3 access specifier. What are the 3 access specifier? Private, public and protected. Private, what is the use of private? In private mode access specifier, using this data member can be accessed within the class. Data member can be accessed within the class. In private mode, data member cannot be accessed other classes. Only access only within the class. Next, public data member can be accessed outside of the class. Public data member can be accessed outside of the class. Next, protected data member can be accessed within the class and its subclasses. You understand, students? Once again, private data member can be accessed only within the class. Public data member can be accessed outside of all the classes. Protect data member can be accessed within the class and its subclasses. In object-oriented programming, private is the default mode. Private. In object-oriented programming like C and Java programming, default mode what? Private. But in Python programming, default mode is what? Public. So, public Python programming, all of the data member can be accessed outside of all the classes. Cannot be accessed within the classes. Data member Python programming, data member can be accessed outside of all the classes. But in C++ and Java programming, default mode is private. So this private mode within the class cannot be accessed outside of the class. So this is a access control.